Hello, I am Rahul Shavade. Today's topic is data types. Today date is 4th July 2025. What is data types? Data types means specify the different size and value that can be stored in a variable. All constants and variable defined with a specific data type. Data does matter in Java because memory efficiency, performance, and code clarity. It is important for Java data types. There are two types of data types in Java: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. First one is primitive data types. Primitive data types means blocks, basic blocks that store simple values. It called as primitive data types. There are 8 types of primitive data types in Java. First one is byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. It is the 8 types of primitive data types present in Java. I shortly see in use of primitive data types one by one. First one is byte. Byte is a store 1 byte and it is a default value 0. Short is a store 2 bytes and it is a default value is 0. Int it is a store of 4 byte and it is a default value is 0. Long is a store 8 bytes and it is a default value is 0. It is all types of byte, short, int, long. It is a store integer value, does not store a decimal value. Second one is float. Float is a store 4 byte and it is a default value is 0.0f. Double is a store 8 bytes and it is a default value 0.0. Float and double is a store only one decimal value because runtime show the runtime environment. Third one is char. Char is a store 1 byte and it is a default value is null. Boolean is a default value on the JVM and it is a default value is always false. It is I say the primitive data types. It is a primitive data types means it is a predefined words. It is already ready to ready by JVM because I does not name with variables, methods, and another one is data types is always reserved words, means it is always keywords. Second one is non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types means reference that store address of object, store of memory in object address, like the string, class, enum, interface, array, and another one is. It is shortly I say used in non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data used to user defined data types, means it is only one used to use when you create a program. First one is class. Class is a instance of object. Class is a logical entity. Class, when we can create multiple objects using a single class. Class is does not memory use when is empty. Second one is object. Object is a blueprint of class. Object is an instance of class. Object is created in main method. First one create the object, then always repeat and repeat call with method in class. Object is that properties, behavior and sequentially it is used to object. String is a string always is a manipulate, means the string always first one create, then it is does not changeable, means the once the declare the string, then is never not changeable. String used to many types in program. And another one is array. Array is a ordered collection. It is start with a 0 index. Array is a collection of same data types. Means it is a all contains are same data types required. Data array is more memory use because it is user defined data types. Thanks. It is all my. It is. I see. It is all my primitive and non-primitive data types. Means data types use and it is a why. I say. Thank you so much.